So today we're going to be talking about the encounter between the Native Americans and the Europeans. So let's get a little bit of background view. So there was this man named Marco Polo. He traveled all the way from Europe to Asia. And when he came back successfully from Asia to Europe, he explained how wealthy and great the empire in Asia was. He explained their wealth and all that stuff. So many people were fascinated by his stories, and one of them was Christopher Columbus. So Christopher Columbus decided to travel west and reach Asia. So he went to Spain for the money. But instead of traveling to Asia and get all the riches over there, he traveled to this whole new continent called the New World. Well, according to some historic beliefs, they say that Christopher Columbus discovered the Americas, which he did not. So the Taino Indians, since Christopher Columbus didn't reach India, he thought that the Caribbeans, which was right here, which is basically the opposite sides of the world, he thought that the people in the Caribbeans were Indians. So he called these people the Taino Indians. When he reached them, the Taino Indians were like very surprised and shocked because he came in these huge, beautiful ships. And so the Taino Indians think that they were gods. So they worshiped them, technically. They were very nice and generous and welcomed Christopher Columbus with gifts, not spears. But Christopher Columbus, he was a very cruel man. So he put the Native Americans under the Catholic religion, the authority of Spain, and forced labor, which is also known as slavery. And right now, we're going to be talking about the Colombian Exchange. The Colombian Exchange is the exchange between the goods in the Americas and the goods in Europe. So there are goods in America that have not been produced in Europe, and there are goods in Europe that have not been produced in the Americas. So the Native Americans traded this. They traded tobacco, quinine plants, sweet potato, avocado, pepper, cassava, potatoes, peanuts, tomatoes, corn, bean, vanilla, pumpkins, turkey, squash, pineapple, cocoa beans. Also, the beans that are used to make chocolate, I think. So that's what the Native Americans trade. The Europeans traded coffee beans, peach and pear, olives, citrus fruits, bananas, sugarcane, honeybees, grain, onions, livestock, turnip, grapes, and diseases. So as I have told you, the Europeans were very nice people. So they traded the Native Americans with diseases such as smallpox, influenza, typhus, measles, malaria, diphtheria, whooping, and cough. So this is the trading map.